Hey guys, my name is Priyanka and I'm a watercolor artist. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a basic and pretty layered flowers and leaves painting. New Year is approaching and this can be a beautiful New Year card idea as well. What I have with me is an example I have painted on a 100% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper. I'll do a similar artwork with a slightly different shading on a 25% cotton paper today. This will help you understand the difference in the work when we use different qualities of watercolor paper. I'm using artist watercolors and size 0 mop brush and also a thin round brush for my work. So let's get started. I'll first do the initial layers of my base petals, applying a watery pigment and then taking away the excess pigment to leave a watermark. That's the beauty of watercolors. Once this much is done, and when the petals are still wet, I apply some pigment in the center and let it spread beautifully to give a natural look. I'll again take out any pigment that I feel is excess. And then to fasten the process, I'll dry it using a drying tool. Now as the second layer, I will do any shading and any enhancement that is required. I'm not merging the pigments here and trying to create a raw layered look as opposed to the cleaner look which I had given to the pink flowers. Once this layer is also completely dry, I'll do the next layer of petals. Same process, applying a watery pigment and then taking away the excess. I wish to add here that you can always do a light pencil drawing first before starting your paint work. In fact, as a beginner, pencil drawing is always a preferred first step. This area was looking a bit blank, so I thought of adding another petal. For the second layer of petals, I'm adding a bit of vermilion hue red to our permanent orange. Now applying vermilion hue red in the center and certain more areas of these petals to enhance the look. If you wish, you can give any other contrast color as well. In fact, try such flowers a number of times in different color combinations. That will teach you which pigments look good together, and regular practice will greatly improve your painting skills as well. Now I come to the leaves. I'm using sap green pigment here. So a very light pressure for the stem, increasing the pressure for doing the body of the leaf, and then releasing again for the tip of the leaf. Same way I will do the initial layers of all the leaves of this stem. Now the second layer I'm doing with the same sap green pigment. Once this layer has dried, I will do the final layer of these leaves using a touch of ochre or maybe a Prussian blue. Meanwhile, let me do the other stems in the same way. So now I'm adding one more layer of sap green here. Now I come to the shading of the leaves with accent pigments like ochre and Prussian blue. You can also use some tones of red, they look good in the leaves. Please note that for the shading in the leaves, I'm not using a watery pigment. It is thick only, and with water I'm spreading it. That's because I'm not giving a smooth finish to my work. But whenever we have to give a smooth finish, like a real look, we prepare the pigments first and then use it in the artworks. So it will depend on the kind of effects we want, and accordingly we use watery or thicker pigments. We also choose the quality of paper accordingly. You see, once we start having control on the pressure of our hand, we can easily create any shapes of leaves. And the same way as other leaves, I will do the shading in these leaves as well. So friends, our cute loose layered flower painting is ready. Try this using different paper qualities and different pigment consistencies. And I'm sure you will be happily surprised each time with the different end results. Take care. See you soon with another exciting and easy tutorial. Till then, keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.